everyone. Welcome to the 180 drill class. We're going to start off today with some common words just to get our fingers going, okay? Ready? Hold, scene, visit, writer, bit, deal, college, consider, notice, attached, condition, eat, dearest, sales, children, girls, unless, certain, plan, yourself, although, advance, greatly, picture, friends, instant, haven't, wishes, asking, careful, point, hot, else, separate, acknowledge, building, placed, gentleman, fall, working, president, form, personnel, hundred, instead, trip, board, item, personal, regular, goes, cars, missing, practice, including, folks. Okay, now I'm going to give you a paragraph that contains some of the most frequently used words. Ready? The new law school will open on Saturday, August 22nd. Should we send in our completed application tomorrow, or is it too early to enroll? Please give this matter to your immediate attention so we can take care of the paperwork with little or no delay. Also, could you find out the answers to the following questions for us? Should we write or email our applications? Is the email address and telephone number the same? Who can give us more information about the classes if we need them other than yourself? Do we only need 60 hours in ethics of law? Who sent the material in the yellow envelope? The application says must have completed 100 hours in English. Does English 101 and General Ed English fulfill this requirement? We shall look forward to hearing from you. Okay, now I've got some common phrases that people often say. Ready? If you recollect, may recollect, must have recollected, shall recollect, she recollected, she recollects, should have recollected, should recollect, so I recollect, so I recollected, so you recollect, so you recollected, that he recollected, that he recollects, that I recollect, that I recollected, that you recollect, that you recollected, they recollect, they recollected, we recollect, we recollected, what he recollected, what he recollects, what I recollect, what I recollected, what you recollect, what you recollected, when he recollected, when he recollects, when I recollect, when I recollected, when you recollect, when you recollected, where he recollected, where I recollect, where I recollected, where you recollect, where you recollected, whether he recollected, whether he recollects, whether I recollect, whether I recollected, whether or not he recollected, whether or not he recollects, whether or not I recollect, whether or not I recollected, whether or not you recollect, whether or not you recollected, whether you recollect. Okay. I've got a short phrase review for you. Okay, here we go. Ready? Do you have any idea of the date of the spring concert? Does it fall on a Saturday or on a Sunday? Where are the performances to be held? You had mentioned to me that you would be able to get us some first row seats. I hope they aren't too much money. Could you have your assistant answer our questions and let us know by Saturday? We would be delighted if you would like to attend the concert with us. All right, now I've got a number drill, and this is a license plate number drill. Here we go. Ready? The vehicles on the stolen automobile report include the following: a Ford Mustang, license number 1GM058, California vehicle registration number 569330001, a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro, license number 282LRM, California vehicle registration number 8A216670, a 2009 Nissan 280ZX, license number FOXYZ, California vehicle registration number 725 2687, and a 2006 Cadillac Eldorado, license number 2RAH329, California vehicle registration number A994802. Are the whereabouts of any of these vehicles known? Okay, so in the last class, I gave the alphabet and had you stitch. Now I've got some names with spellings, and then I'm going to give you the same thing but in sentences, okay? Here we go. Ready? Marge Jones, Jones. Ron Miller, Miller. Diane Fetzer, Fetzer. Fred Alvarez, Alverez. Martin Block, Block. Jane Agren, Agren. Sam Cantrell, Cantrell. Chris Flanders, Flanders. Sharon Quake, Quake. James Sage, Saige. Tim Rentz, Rentz. Carl Pickens, Pickens. Adam Ortega, Ortega. And here are your sentences. Ready? Joe spells Joe. His name is Robert, Robert. Do you spell her name Cathy or Kathy? Douglas spells his name Douglas. Her name is Tara, Tara. Give the receipt to Edna, Edna. Zelma is the way she spells her name. Ray Calvin, Calvin, is her teacher. Diane is spelled Diane. Does he spell his name Sean or Shawn? Cora Fernandez, Fernandez, is her name. Maxwell spells Maxwell. Do you know Lee Fox, Fox? His name is Alfred, Alfred. Take the credit information to Karen Kerr, Kerr. Felix spells Felix. Is her name spelled Tyson? Give the book to Glenn Carlson, Carlson. He works at the Bennett, Bennett company. Tyszka is the way he spells his name. Her name is Beth Valdez, Valdez. He spells his name Pointer. Jacob, Jacob, is his name. All right, I'm going to give you some legal terms and then a short paragraph. Ready? We've got opening, direct examination, DREX, cross-examination, KROX, expunged, irrelevant, overrule, sustain, colloquy, evidence, immaterial, redirect, recross, witness, objections, perjury. Ready? The opening statement to the jury is given by each attorney. Direct examination and cross-examination may be followed by redirect examination and recross-examination. Each witness gives testimony under oath. When a witness knowingly gives false testimony under oath, the witness is guilty of perjury. Objections may be raised by either attorney. The judge will either overrule or sustain these objections. The attorney raising the objection may feel that the evidence presented is irrelevant or immaterial. An exchange between the attorneys and the court is referred to as colloquy. Evidence may be expunged from the court record by the judge. Okay, I'm going to give you some challenging words from Tangle Tamers. Ready? Electronic conductor, huddled masses, neighborhood association, disappointed spectators, between performances, privately adopted, audio cassettes, academically inept, identifying information, confidentiality protected, adoption agency, confidentiality waiver, computer peripherals, rehabilitation counseling, humongous selection, romantic trellises, ventilator rhythm, and patterns and notions. Okay, and that concludes our drill for the 180 class. Have a great day.